Hello everyone and welcome. Whoop, let me move my microphone closer. There we go. That should sound a little bit nicer. Welcome to the next video. Today it's December. We've managed to get all the way to the last month of the year. Can you guys believe it? I can still like remember all of the videos that we did earlier this year in January, February. Now we're in December. So let's make sure that we create amazing content in this month. But before we jump into that, we are going to be giving away our Fan of the Month gifts. So as you guys know, or if you are not aware, every single month we are giving away 3 courses to 3 lucky winners from all of the comments that we got from the past month. And I try to make this as random as possible to get everyone a fair shot. There's a couple of rules. Double comments are not counted, so it doesn't matter if you comment a lot of times. The first of your comments is the one that's going to be on the list, let's call it. And you can only win once, so even if you're a frequent commenter and you get picked several times, you only get 1 course, and it's a free course of your choice. Any course applies, even the character one, even the Houdini one. So that's one of the ways that we want to thank you guys for all of the support and for the continuous interaction here in the channel. We also have the mailing list, so if you subscribe to our mailing list, you might be a lucky winner there. We also give away courses for free on that mailing list, so make sure to subscribe down here on the description. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We're also gonna just before we move on to the raffle, I just want to remind you guys that we're gonna have our portfolio review not this weekend but next weekend. The submissions have been open for the past couple of weeks. The usual link that we use, it's still on, but I'm gonna like copy it again here in the description so you guys can access it and drop your portfolios in case you want me to review it. There's a lot of projects that I want to do for this month. I want to do the Lighthouse. There's gonna be like a Lighthouse Reborn series where we're gonna be recreating a lot of stuff, and the reason why I stopped that series is because a lot of the techniques that I was showing were outdated, and now with Unreal Engine 5 and a lot of new softwares and techniques, there's a lot of things that I used to do that are no longer viable, so I want to make sure to share the best things with you guys. There's also the Golden Mask that I lost the files. I'm gonna have to redo it real quick so that we can continue with the details. And there's the Pokeball render. I want to do like a cinematic shot, a cinematic render with it. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff. If there's any more things that you guys want me to talk about or to go over, please let me know in the comments down here as well. And let's jump onto the raffle. So I have the videos on this. Oh, there's a little bit of music, by the way. Hopefully it's not. There we go. So I have the videos over here. I've counted the videos, and we have 22 videos for the month of October. And the way this works, if this is the first time you're watching this type of videos, is I'm gonna roll a D100, and the first number between 1 and 22 that rolls is gonna be the first video that we're gonna be selecting from. And then this time around, the first like number, we're gonna count how many comments there are, and the first number that gets the prize is the winner. So let's go. I actually rolled this a couple of times to make sure that we have like a fresh seat. So let's go. 48, no. 67, no. 71, no. 36, no. 43, no. 51, no. 76, 52, 38, 59, 63, 29, 40, 56, 91, 40. I wish we had like a D24. Or actually, we do have. There we go. 1 dice, 22 sided. Let's go. 14. Perfect. Okay. So I'm going to start counting. Again, just so that everyone is aware. Whoa. There we go. So this is the first video in November was this one, the free 3D courses and the winners. And then we did some shading and bifrost and stuff. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14. This one, new course available with the big what's the name? With the big discount, which was the advanced character. And we have a lot of comments here. It said 84. So I'm gonna use a D100, and I think we're gonna count from there. We do have a lot of our own comments. I'm seeing that we replied to a lot of them, so it's probably not as many as 84. You can see them right here. So yeah, there's a lot of comments. Let's see all comments. There we go. So yeah, so that's our comments and everyone else's comments. So I'm just gonna count the comments from the people. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. There we go. So I'm just to be safe, I'm gonna do 45 just in case we get some extra ones that I missed. But the first winner of our free course this month is whoever lands on this one right here, and it's number 10. So let's go all the way up, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jack 946. Congratulations, my friend. You are the winner of our free courses this month. If you're already subscribed to our mailing list, I will make sure to get you your course as soon as possible. If you're not, you can send. I'm gonna have the email on the comments as well, just letting you or letting one of our team members know that you were one of the winners, and you were gonna be able to select anything, any of the courses that we have. So I can see here that you already have the 3D code one. If you haven't bought this one, the advanced character, yeah, that could be the pick. So yeah, that's pretty much it, man. You said here, can anyone share whether illegal chefs and goods matter for 3D prints? And just to answer that question, because I didn't answer it here, no, they don't matter. As long as you triangulate everything for 3D print, it's perfectly fine. So congratulations, Jack. You are the first winner of our of this November's Fan of the Month award. Let me just write down your name before I forget. There we go. So that's Jack946 is your username. Perfect. So let's go with the next one. So we had again 22 videos. Let's roll, and we got video number 9. Okay, let's go and see which one that was. So video number 9 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. It was portfolio review number 27. Let's go to the comments, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 lucky participants. And let's go and see who is the lucky winner. Number 2. Low numbers this time. And we got Ferran Santamaria. Ferran, congratulations, my friend. It seems from your name that you might be a Spanish-speaking student or follower here in the channel. If you are, then felicidades, ganaste un curso. If you're not, don't worry. Congratulations, you still won a course. So yeah, there you go, my friend. We will be contacting you again. If you're already on our mailing list, it's a lot easier to find you, and we'll get it the course to you, the code, as soon as possible. Just remember, guys, if you are a winner, you need to redeem the code in the next 5 days. I'm gonna be reminding you on our daily videos. If anyone knows the person here, Ferran, for instance, let him know that he won. I am actually gonna reply here. Congratulations. I should do this, right? Ferran, this comment has been selected as a winner of the month. Video will be up tomorrow. There we go. So yeah, that's it. That's the third one. The second one. Let's go for the third one. Again, we have 22 videos. Let's go, and we get video number 13. I promise I'm not like doing any like weird stuff. It's all based on this like web thing. So let's go and see which one it is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13. Okay, so it's another one of our new courses, and we have a lot of comments, so I think that's good, because that means that there's a lot of possible winners. So it's the first time that the sneak peek for the character course. There were a lot of the character courses this month. This month was crazy, by the way, guys. Here, I finished the course. I had a lot of like trips and stuff with the studio, so that's why we didn't have as many 3D stuff. But I'm gonna try to make it up for you here in December. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Perfect. So we got 41 possible winners here. Let's go to 141 sided dice, and let's go. We get number 18 on our list. Again, a lot of low numbers this time. Well, this is kind of like on the mid-range. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Sass Toots. Sass Toots, yes, you are, my friend, the winner. You are the winner of a free course. I'm also going to let you know here on the reply. Hi, congratulations. You are one of the winners for November Fan of the Month. Video will be up tomorrow. It's funny because when you guys like he's gonna see the comment and be like, what the hell, but then tomorrow he's gonna see the video. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's it. Those are the winners for this month. Thank you very much for all of the support. It's been a great month. It's been a lot of cool stuff, and we've done so many things. I was actually going, I'll show you a little secret here. I was going, here's my my library of all of the covers that we've done in this year. Look at how many projects and videos we've we've managed to do. Some of them are renders, like this like snake lamp. You guys remember this one? But look at this: characters, the grenade, the demon, portfolio reviews. Like there's so much stuff that we've done, and I think I'm missing some of them because I don't have all of them right here. But yeah, it's been a great road so far, guys. Thank you a lot for your support. It's thanks to all of the support and to your continuous feedback and improvements that you've suggested to us that we've been able to grow as a channel. We're at 31,000. I'm gonna give you the exact number. Right now we have 31,097 subscribers. We've been steadily going up in our subscribers. Maybe we'll be able to finish the year with 32,000 subscribers. That would be pretty dope. So if you guys want to help out, make sure to like, make sure to share, make sure to subscribe. We're gonna be announcing the contest, the next contest, very soon. It's probably gonna be next week when we're gonna announce it, and the due date is gonna be at the end of January. Okay, so we're gonna do another contest, and I hope you guys are gonna like the topic for that one. And that's it for this one, guys. December is coming again. Let's just take a quick look at the calendar. So I'm gonna have, or we're gonna have our special, just to I used to do this like calendar overview things, but I think that they're not as cool, so let's just jump here. And 10 and 11 is going to be portfolio review. So in 2 weeks we're going to have our portfolio reviews, or a little bit over a week. And then from 19 to the 23 of December, it's going to be our Christmas special week. We're going to have a Christmas special week like what we did with Halloween. We're going to have 5 different projects. I'm going to probably be taking 24 and 25 off for the, what's the word? For Christmas, of course. And then from the 26th to the 30th, we're probably going to have some special videos as like a recap, end of the year stuff. And then again, I'm probably going to take off a 31 and the 1st, and then we'll just kick off January with more content. The end of the year is so close. It's really crazy. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you for everything. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you back tomorrow with more 3D content. Bye bye.